Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can start making money online from today. Yeah, so without wasting your time, the first one on my list here is to perform micro tasks, and one of the websites I'm going to be introducing you to is VIP Kid. Yes, guess what? You can teach English to students in China, yes, in other countries. The application process is very straightforward and the pay is competitive. Yes, you can make good money from teaching using this platform, VIP Kids. The next platform on my list here is Teachable. Yes, teachable.com. So besties, do you know that you can create and sell online courses? Yes, and you can teach anything from cooking to coding. The third app on my list here is Udemy. Yes, it's another great platform for selling courses. The marketplace has millions of students looking for quality content, and here are some tips for attracting students. The first thing you need to do is to create an engaging course. Yes, as for your content, please ensure that your lessons are engaging and interactive. Use videos, quizzes, and assignments to keep students always interested. And the next thing here is to always request for reviews. Yes, positive reviews. Encourage your students to leave positive reviews because it's going to boost your credibility and attract more students. The next thing on my list here is freelancing. Yes, I'm sure that you've heard freelancing. What exactly is freelancing, guys? Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money online quickly. So whether you're a writer, you're a designer, you're a programmer, you're a virtual assistant, or you even have other skills, guess what? There's a high demand for freelance work. I actually remember when I first started freelancing on Upwork, it was a bit daunting, yes, but I quickly found out that was a niche, yes, for my skills. And guess what? Within a month, I had a steady stream of clients. Guys, guess what? I'm gonna spill the tea, so just chill with me, like watch this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, oh, I forgot. If you're new here and you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know your meeting, where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys, amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. Yes, I'm gonna be giving out a giveaway in today's video. If you're ready to make money from today's video, I will be giving out free money, yes, in today's video. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. You think I'll forget? Introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you. Yes, how did you find my video? Sent it to you. What do you do for a living? Where are you watching from? Yeah, so my name is Mariam. I'm based in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money. You know, you cannot be broke on this channel. You can't. It's not possible. Yes. On this channel, we help you to become the best version of yourself. Like I always say, guys, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. I've been broke before. I know what it feels like to be broke, and that's why I never ever want to be in that place. It's a very dark place. I don't even want to go the way there ever again. Okay guys, as for my giveaway, yes, it's also a way for you to make money. So yes, why can't I just mention it now? So what you need to do is, we have finally launched our Telegram channel. So all you need to do is head over to the link in my description as well as in my comments and find the link to our Telegram page. Yeah, so what you need to do is add 20 to 50 of your friends or more. Of course, when you add more than 50 people, you stand a higher chance of getting selected for the contest. So what you need to do is get the link, copy the link, share it with your friends, make sure that they join the group, they join the Telegram channel, and then come back to this video and let me know in the comments how many people you have successfully added into the Telegram community, into the Telegram channel. If by chance you lie about the number of people that you've added into the group, you are automatically going to get disqualified. Integrity is really big. I'm big on integrity, and I will not condone anyone who tries to take credit for other people's work. So please make sure that you do not inflate the figures. It's better to understate the figures than to inflate the figures. The moment I find out that you lied about the numbers of people that you invited into the group, I will not be selecting you at all. I won't even be looking at you for consideration at all. So yes, let's make it count. So without further ado, let's just get right back into today's business. Come with me guys, let's go. Let's go. So guys, here is a quick guide to getting started on the platforms that I've just shared with you. So you need to set up your profile on all of the websites that I've shared with you. What you need to do is to create a professional profile that highlights your skills and of course experience. So use a clear professional photo and write a compelling bio. Also identify high demand skills. So look at job listings to see which skills are most in demand and aligns with your own expertise. The next one here is pricing your services. Yes, start with competitive pricing to attract clients, and you can increase your rates as you gain more experience, and of course when you get positive reviews, when you continue to gather positive reviews. Now here are some strategies to land your first job quickly. First thing you need to do is to create compelling proposals. So make sure that you tailor every proposal to the job that you're applying for. Go ahead and highlight your relevant experience and how you can help your clients to achieve their goals. You also need to build a portfolio real quick. If you don't have a portfolio, consider doing a small few projects for family and friends, even if it's for free, just to showcase your skills and add it to your portfolio. You also need to network and leverage, yes, on social media. So go ahead and join online communities related to your industry. Make sure that you participate in discussions and share your expertise. Also post positive reviews and testimonials. Yes, they can also help you boost your credibility. Another way to also make money is to invest in cryptocurrency and stocks. Yes, guys, I'm going to introduce you a little bit into this particular subject matter. So guys, investing in cryptocurrency and stocks can actually yield quick returns, but it is also important to understand the risks that are involved. It's highly volatile. And they always say, do not put in money that you're not willing to lose. That is the rule of the game. No pain, no gain. You have to take risks, yes. But I advise that you should always do your research and start with money that you can afford to lose. That's what I just said. Start with money that you can afford to. If it's just $100 that you can start with that. Yes, start with it. Now, as for trading, there are platforms to actually use. You can use Binance, you can use Coinbase, and you can use Kraken. Yes, these are popular choices for beginners. And as for basic trading strategies, start with small investments and avoid putting all your money into one coin. Learn to diversify to minimize your risk. Now, here is how to also get started with stock trading. And the recommended apps are Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD. And Ameritrade are user-friendly platforms. So here are some basic strategies that I will advise you to do. Look for undervalued stocks with potentials for growth and consider long-term investments for more stability. The next one, guys, the next one on my list here is for you to set up a blog or website. Guys, a blog or website is a great way to promote affiliate products. You can go ahead and write content that provides value and naturally incorporate affiliate links into your content. Another thing to do is to leverage social media. Yes, use platforms like Instagram, like YouTube, like TikTok to promote affiliate products to your followers. Yes, another thing you can do is content creation. Yes, do you know that you can create content about anything and everything? People go I'm going to share a tip with you guys shortly. So what you can do is to create honest reviews, tutorials, or how-to videos. Yes, how-to guides that showcase the benefits of the products that you are promoting. Now, here is something that a lot of people do. This is something a lot of people do. What they do is they go on Amazon, they purchase electronic products. Even if it's not on Amazon, they walk into stores, they purchase electronic products, they use them, they unbox it, and then they return it. Yes, they return it back. And then when companies start to see that, oh, you're promoting cameras, or you're promoting phones, you're promoting kitchen gadgets, they start to send you those items for free, and you also get paid for them. Yes, in fact, people do it for everything and anything. Some people even, they create content for things that they ordinarily would use on a normal day. They create content for their toothpaste when they're brushing their teeth. They create content. Companies that see this, they want to sponsor them. Some people create content for juice, for food that they eat day to day. You don't necessarily have to buy stuff and then return them. You can just create content with your normal day-to-day activities. Yes, but the key to doing this is to be consistent. You need to learn how to be consistent. And just so you know, if you're interested in starting your YouTube channel, I can help you get started on YouTube. Yes, and I will show you how to make good money on YouTube. Yes, so if you want to start a YouTube channel and you have a budget for it, you can reach out to me or let me know in the comments so that I can get back to you on my own. Please don't bombard me with emails because I need that time to create content. I need that time to do other things that would add value to you guys, because I'm constantly researching for you guys. Last night I slept at 3:30 a.m. so please, let's keep it civil here on this check. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. You don't need to send me an email. It's not that important. And even, yes, and do not forget, if you want to take part in today's contest, in the Telegram contest, go ahead and share my Telegram link with 20 to 50 people in your community, your church group, your mosque groups, your friends, your enemies, your family members, so various social media platforms on WhatsApp, everywhere and anywhere. So yes, that is it for today. I hope today's video has been a blessing to you. I hope today's video has opened up some thinking pores. Yeah, so go ahead and share this video as well with your friends. Make sure that you like this video and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And of course, I will see you in my next video. In case anyone is doubting how far you can go, please, with my permission, just go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right guys, take care of yourselves and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you.